Now let us do this exercise on page number 55. Complete the following sentences with the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. See the correct forms of the verbs. Here the brackets, in the brackets they have given you the words and we have to fill the correct form. The first one, my brother loves to bake, because brother is singular, so S will come there. Loves to bake. Reena writes. Again Reena is singular, so writes. Very well. Your argument. Again it is one, so your argument makes some very good points. Makes. That computer does not work, so that computer does. When does comes, obviously the first verb will be in singular only, so include work, it will be work. We will not add S to it. Now let us do this exercise. As soon as Vani completes, Vani is singular, so completes the summary, we can present the project. The English language is only one, so contains many words. What doesn't kill you? Yeah, you is singular, so makes you stronger. Hemant enjoys cooking. Enjoys. With this we complete this exercise. Now let us do the next exercise, that is rewrite the following sentences using the simple present tense as directed. Now in the bracket they have given us the directions. Interrogative, that means we have to make this sentence into interrogative. Then again second also interrogative, here WH question, so all these directions are given to us, so do as directed also you can say. So let us do the first one. Now see the first one, the question, the sentence is Mr. Paul plans to watch a movie this weekend. So we have to make this into interrogative. So we know that in present tense we use do and does, isn't it? Now because Mr. Paul is singular, so we can use does, isn't it? So does Mr. Paul plan to watch a movie this weekend? Does Mr. You can just write here, does Mr. Paul plans to watch a movie this weekend, and then put a question mark to it. Okay, then let us do the next one. Fatima handles such problems very efficiently. Again you have to make an interrogative sentence. So Fatima is singular, so again does Fatima handles such problems very efficiently, then again put a question mark there. Because interrogative, so you have to put question mark. If you are not going to put question mark, it is not going to become an interrogative sentence. Let us do the third one. We visit our grandparents at least 4 times every month. Now WH question. So WH, that means when, what, where, all these questions, interrogative words you can add. So we can add, when do you visit your grandparents? See, when do you, we can write here, when do you visit, instead of your grandparents, and then question mark. This we can cut. Okay, this will become the answer. Come to the next one, that is the D one. You must study for at least 4 hours every day to do well in the exams. Again you have to make a WH question. Again we will be making a WH question. So why do you study for at least 4 hours every day? Okay, like why do you study? Do you study for 4 hours every day? And here we can put a question mark. All this we can cancel, isn't it? Why do you study for 4 hours every day? And this will become, so we must study for at least 4 hours every day to do well in the exams. Now my sister knows how to play the piano. Negative interrogative. Now that means you have to add no or not to this. No or not word also. And we have to also make it an interrogative sentence. So how we are going to make? Like, does your sister not know how to play piano? Does your sister not know how to play the piano? And then okay. Now Aditi always comes to class on time. This you have to make interrogative sentence. Okay. Does Aditi come to class on time? Does Aditi come to class on time? And then interrogative. Zara wants to become an engineer. Interrogative. Does Zara wants to become an engineer? And then simple. I love to cook Chinese food at home. What do you like to cook at home? Simple, isn't it? What do you like to cook at home? What do you like to cook or love to cook at home? Simple. Then Homer's Iliad is one of the greatest epics of all times. Simple. What is Homer's Iliad? Simple. What is Homer's Iliad? And then question mark. This is the simplest one. So with this we come to an end. That means you have to use do and does in the simple present tense when you are framing the questions. And WH, you can simply add the WH word and you can ask a question. Now let us do this exercise on page number 57. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous tense of the verbs. Present continuous tense. That means we are going to use the formula is, am, are plus V1 plus ing. Isn't it? Let us do the first one. We dash my birthday. We are celebrating my birthday. So we are celebrating my birthday. We is plural, so obviously we are going to use this are. They are joining us for the dinner. They are joining us for the dinner. My parents are buying me a gift for my birthday. My father is singular, so obviously is. My father is cooking a special dish for us. With I we use am in simple in present tense, so present continuous. I am helping my father with the cooking. I am helping my father with the cooking. I am going for the relay match. I am going for the relay match. Now let us come to page number 58. The G1. The eagle dash very high. The eagle is flying very high. I am looking at the nest in the tree through my binoculars. I am looking. So with this we complete our exercise. Now let us come to the next exercise, that is again on page number 58. Now see, rewrite the following sentences as directed. One has been done for you. Again the directions are given to us and we have to complete this exercise. So let us do. Manisha is taking part in the play. So this is interrogative. They have already made this sentence for us. And what is this? Is Manisha taking part in the play? So this interrogative is there. That means we have to use, they have used the helping verb in the beginning. So if you put this helping verb in the beginning and then if you complete a sentence, automatically it becomes an interrogative sentence. Okay, so let us make the next one also. We are meeting tonight. Now negative sentence we have to make. That means no or not word you have to add. So we are meeting. So we are not meeting tonight. So we are not. We are going to add here not meeting tonight. With this we make this negative sentence. Will you be inviting Anna as well? This is affirmative sentence we have to make. Now this is an interrogative sentence, so you have to just make an affirmative, that is positive sentence. So we will be inviting Anna as well, isn't it? We will be inviting Anna as well, and then you have to remove this interrogative sign and just put a full stop here. Now he is coming with his sister. Interrogative, simple. Just put this is in the beginning. So is he coming with his sister? This will make a small h. So is he coming with his small sister and interrogative sign? Simple. This is the simplest one. I am bringing my brother with me. Negative sentence. So I am not bringing my brother with me. Simple. It will become negative sentence. The children are preparing for their dance performance. Interrogative. So simple. Again we can start with are. Are the children preparing for their dance performance? Start with are. Are the children preparing for their dance performance? And interrogative sign here. Simple, it will become an interrogative sentence. The students are excited about their field trip to Puri. Negative sentence, that means any no or not. The students are not excited. Not excited about their field trip. Then next again interrogative sentence you have to make. My mother left her profession to become a writer. Now here we can simply use WH word to make this an interrogative word. Okay, so we can do that also, and even like do and like did, because so we let us use WH only. Okay, why did your mother leave her profession? Isn't it? Why did your mother leave her profession? So my mother left her profession to become a writer. Ravi has invited all of his friends for his birthday party next week. Ravi has invited all of his friends for his birthday party next week. Interrogative sentence again. Simply. So we can start with has. Has Has Ravi invited all his friends for his birthday party next week? And then put an interrogative sign. Simple. So with this we complete our next exercise also. Now let's do the exercise on page number 58 again. The last exercise. Complete the following sentences with the present continuous forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Mention the role played by each sentence. One has been done for you. Now see, the teachers are expecting their students to do their best in the examination. What is this? This is prediction. So we have to write this also, and you have to complete the sentence also. The teachers are expecting. So let us first complete just the blanks, and after that we can complete the other part of the sentence also. Now see, the second one. Dinesh dashed hard for his swimming competition. So Dinesh is practicing hard. Dinesh is singular, so is practicing. Practicing hard. We are moving to the new house next week. We are moving to the new house next week. Then my father is meeting the principal tomorrow. Then I am learning Spanish. I am learning Spanish. Mr. Mukherjee is teaching English to our class. Then she is talking to her mother. She is talking to her mother now. New opportunities are waiting. So with this we've completed. Now let us do the next part of our, like for example, the second one. Let us do second one. Dinesh is practicing. Okay, so now what is this? This is future plan, isn't it? So you can write here future plan. Now we are moving to, this is again future plan, definite future plan. Okay, so this is again definite future plan. Again you can write future plan. Again this is future plan. This is also is definite future plan. So definite and future plan. I am learning Spanish now. So this is continuing action, isn't it? In the present time. Continuing action. Now next is teaching, isn't it? So what is this? Again a continuing action. Again continuing action. Is talking is again continuing action. Action. Are waiting is again, this is prediction. Now for you, it's not necessary for you to do. If you have not done, no problem. But this you should do, and you should know how to do it.